Okay, this is the roof rack on the X-Trail. These brackets are the old brackets that came off the previous bucky. They're used for mounting to a flat top canopy on an LDV. This comes with little 10mm bolts which I had to modify the holes in there, and I drilled different holes up there and here. You can see how this is in here. I had to move this one up a bit, that one a bit that way, and I had to shift the whole thing forward this way so that these holes can fit, otherwise this hole would have been right on the edge here. Okay, it's just a normal little front runner roof rack. Oh, look how skew it is. It's okay. Let's skew this side too. Look at that. This thing is as straight as anything. Yeah. Look at this. Okay, so that's it. I've shook the car around on top of this thing and it stays solid. It doesn't move. It doesn't go anywhere. Okay, you can see there it's pretty straight. Okay, that's about it. Solid, mounted. Didn't cost a cent extra.